Moving forward with the predicted maintenance, predicted service, electrification, but are you making the crane more complicated to use?
No.
So as an operator, for me, the worst thing in the world is downtime.
Yeah, of course.
I cannot have downtime. I can't afford it, you know. So how do you looking across here, the amount of product lines you have, how do you ensure that there's literally thousands of parts you would need here. How do you stay on top of that? And how does Palfinger ensure that they always have the parts that we need to have next day? Because I need my truck fixed yesterday.
We now have a hub system, one management center managing 3 main hubs in Europe.
Yes.
And we guarantee then a one-day latest delivery.
Okay, so moving forward with the predicted maintenance, predicted service, electrification, it sounds good because you can see what the truck is doing. You can give us alerts, you can give owner alerts, you can give operators alerts. But are you making the crane more complicated to use?
No, the usage is not affected at all. Okay. We try to make it easier to understand what's going on and give you support in all directions, even in the service side. Understand on the technical side, a crane today has sensors which are used to operate the crane. We want to put sensors to make service easier as well. Yeah?
Okay.
Like say, okay, we put the part here, but then we know more and we can be better, we can be predictive and so on. This is a new learning for us as well. I think we are getting better, definitely not more complicated, and also not more expensive, because please take in account that downtime costs a lot of money.
When we start hearing about sensors, you know, in my fleet at one point we had some of the older cranes, and some of the older cranes had a lot less sensors on them. They were easier to use. I mean, sometimes it feels like you can push the crane that bit further.
Yeah, true.
So now with the new ones, like there's a bit of stigma attached to it that will make it more complicated, or we won't be able to fix it. How does it work for somebody, for instance, who does a lot of their maintenance in-house?
Palfinger offers different levels here. Okay. I mean, I like fleet owners who say, okay, the maintenance,
yes.
and we divide between maintenance and service.
Yeah.
The maintenance is really controlled by myself. That's what we want. Yeah?
Yes.
Maintenance is what the customer should do.
Yes.
And we are giving tools. We are giving also software tools. We have possibilities here to get to a certain level, to a certain extent. And then it comes to very solid service, where you say, okay, in a planned downtime period, like half a day per 6 months,
yes.
we do those things which are necessary from the service workshop side, to touch the machine, to download the files, to update firmware, these things which you cannot do by yourself.
Okay, and then eventually you should be able to remotely send software updates to cranes, eventually? Yeah.
This is, for me, is a future, also like functionality on demand, things like, okay, switch on or add a system which is technically there anyway already, didn't buy it at the beginning. There will be upselling features, interesting things you can, maybe also updates on firmware, give you new functionality later on, like you know it from car industry today.
Yes.
This is in our mind. Okay. This will come soon.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Daniel. And then enjoy everything.
I'm definitely enjoying. Later on, it's going to be less talking, more action.